have a whole lot of them, but I just want to share these three with you guys. My review on it. Yeah, welcome to my channel. This is HBS on my Approach Beauty and Skincare. Thank you guys for always tuning into my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, please kindly subscribe, hit the notification button so you get notified each time I upload videos like this. Thank you. So let's go straight to business. Today I'm going to be talking about serums. I have a whole lot of them, but I just want to share these three with you guys. My review on it, I've used it and it really works well for me, so I just feel I should share with you guys. Our first training for the year will be starting on the 25th of January. So if you are interested in training with us, you can chat me up on WhatsApp to register. Our website will be launching soon, guys, so watch out for that. You'll be shopping directly from the website very soon. Okay, so the first thing I have on my list is citroclase. This is citroclase. I don't know if you can see the name. This is citroclase. So it's citroclase serum. Is made with lemon extract. If you have any acne, dark spots, or you're making a lightening cream, maybe face cream, you should add this. It works well. So the composition is propylene glycol, lemon extract, glycerin, vitamin E, sodium metabosulfate, acid, kojic acid, ascorbic acid, fragrance, and so on. So this really works well for me. If you add it to any of your face cream, or you are making any product for face, maybe you're making any product for face, it really works well. It clears your spots in no time. It's anti-spot and it's fast action. So that's that about citroclase. So let me bring it out so you can see. So it comes in this form. This is the way it is. The application used daily on persistent brown stain of the body. You can use it on your elbow if you have dark elbow. You can use it on your neck. You can use it on your nail. You can use it on your knuckles. So it really works well. You can use it on your face. You can use it on your knuckles. You can use it on any part of your body, but you need to know what you're doing if you are using any of this serum. Like I used to say in all my videos, it contains clotrimazole. So that's that for citroclase. So moving on, have it. Moving on, I'll be talking about this. This is carotene lotion, black spot corrector, anti-tack, anti-spot, maxi effect concentrated formula. So you can see for yourself if you're making a face lotion, face cream, or face soap, or any products that you know, or any area you have dark spots on your body, you should incorporate this into it. It's they said it's has maxi effect and it is concentrated. So all these serums, like I used to say, is concentrated. They are all concentrated. You need to know what you're doing to use this. You can use it in the morning and at night. It eliminates most difficult spots. So if you have a spot that is difficult and refuse to go, you can incorporate this serum into your lotion or your cream or what have you. So it comes in like I think it's water based. It comes in, I've not opened it, so it's water based. It comes in a very watery form, but it's really concentrated. So moving on is another carotene. Okay, this is collagen formula brightening oil. So this can actually be applied on, you can apply this on your skin directly. It has sun protection, so if there's anything that has SPF, you can actually apply it on your skin directly. So this has SPF. It's a Cote d'Ivoire product. It really works well, and it has DSP 10, that is the sun protection, direct sun protection 10. So it's a brightening oil. It's really good, and it has collagen in it. So any product that actually has collagen in it is good for every skin type. So it works well for green veins, for dark spots, knuckles, and so on. If you have any stubborn blemishes on your skin that is not going, it makes you look younger. It gives you collagen for a younger skin. It brightens up your skin, and so on. So you can just get this. The name on it is carotene collagen formula brightening oil. So that's the name on it, carotene collagen formula brightening oil with SPF. So that's that on this. Moving on, I'll be talking about Santadi. Wow, I'm sure everybody knows this product. Some people use it for cleanser. It actually comes in the same content with like the same content with the carotene lotion. So some people use it as a cleanser. Some people just apply it on their face directly, while some people incorporate it in their formulation. So you can incorporate this in your cleanser. If you're making a cleanser, dark knuckle cleanser, pimples cleanser, acne and all that, you can incorporate this Santadi. It really works well, and you can use it directly. You can also put this in your lotion. It depends on if you know what you are doing and how to go about it, you understand. So that is that about this lotion. It's a whitening lotion, and the ingredients are propylene glycol, fruit acid, the pigmentant. It's written in French, vitamin E, F, and so on. So it's really good. I've used it. It worked well for me, so that is why I'm telling you about it. So it contains fruit acid, it contains lemon, it contains aloe vera, and so on. So it's really very good on the skin. You can. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this video. If you find this content helpful in any way, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload videos like this. See you in my next video. Bye.